Hello, welcome back. Hi everybody, welcome back to our new vlog. First of all, I want to wish you a very great 2018 with a lot of success, a lot of joy and of course a lot of health. First of all, this beauty behind me, the 458 Speciale. We're going to put our sound system in this car because this will be our demo car for the next year. So we have to find some time to build all the parts and to put it in actual car. But once finished, then you can see the car when we go to a meeting or we go to some introduction of a new car whatsoever. So stay tuned because this will be great, this will be fantastic. If you know our work, you can already imagine how it will be. But yeah, we don't know when we finish it, because first of all we have to do all the other jobs, of course. Then it will be quite busy. We're going to Dubai next week to work on a brand new McLaren 720S. It's a beautiful car, and the car is owned by the same guy who also owns the 488 and the Aventador we recently done. And he was so happy with these two jobs. He just bought another car, the McLaren 720, and of course he also ordered our tailor-made sound system for that car. So that will be quite a challenge because yeah, we have never worked on the 720 yet. We did some work on other McLarens, so we have to see over there how the acoustics are of the car and how we can put in everything, but I'm sure we will manage. I will try to step up my game a bit more with the vlogging, because I'm not a really good vlogger, and if I'm in Dubai I'm so focused on the job that I forget to film everything, so I try to do it more and more and more. So this will be quite interesting, of course. Then what else? We're waiting for the delivery of a Ferrari F12 Berlinetta, which we're going to do here in the Netherlands. The car can arrive any day now. I have to check it with the tracking record. And then this will also have the tailor-made sound system like the other F12s we have done. This car has to be ready by end of February, so we can also work on it partly between our travels. This will be something very nice as well. Then what else? We're going to work on an Audi RS7 next month here in the Netherlands. Will be a really great sound system as well. And a brand new has to be delivered, the Porsche Panamera ST. So the bigger Panamera, which will look a little bit the same like the Panamera Turbo S we have done a couple of months ago. Also here in the Netherlands, so that will be great. Then there are small, some other jobs who are waiting to be done in Dubai later, and we're now just talking with a potential new client in Doha, in Qatar. That will be fantastic if something turns out and we can do that job as well. So this will be amazing. What else? There's plenty of things going on. We do all the sound systems from now, from all the boats. In Dutch it's called sloop, from the brand Jan van Gent. We just did the first system on their boat, which they're still building, and they will display this boat on a boat show called the Hiswa in Amsterdam in March. So there we're going to launch the sound system as well, and this will be something great, something fantastic. We've just been there to finish it up. Still some cosmetic things has to be done, but the first impression of the system is so amazing. It's like yeah, it's beyond everything. This kind of power on a small boat, it's 10 meters 35 centimeters. It's fantastic. It's something you really have to experience yourself, of course. What else do we have? Yes, the top hat. If you've seen previous vlogs, it's a guy from the Netherlands who builds really exclusive Land Rover Defenders. So they build old ones, make them all new, but it's not just like just putting new paint on it and get it on the road, but each and every part is designed from scratch. So they put in a brand new Corvette engine You can spec it any way you want. They are recently, they just started building one with a Corvette ZR1 supercharged engine. That's something really crazy, and we're going to work with them as well. Hopefully we can arrange something to ship one of their demo cars to Dubai and to do something crazy over there as well, because I am completely convinced that this will be a car which can be sold there big time. Really big time. You can take it onto the desert, you can take it in the desert, I mean, you can take it onto the track, you can drive it on the road. It's something really, really, really amazing, really crazy. So if you live in Dubai and you want to buy something really exclusive, stay focused and stay tuned on this channel. So that's about it. I think you guys also know that we are building something very nice in a villa here in the Netherlands. The basement of the villa is like a man cave with a swimming pool and a fitness area and whatsoever. And we build a really crazy sound system in that place as well. It's about to be finished, and I'm heading there tomorrow to do some final things. So I think I'm bringing this weird camera guy with me as well, so he can take some more shots, and I will explain a little bit more about what we have done, because the system is completely invisible. You cannot see any speakers or any subwoofers, but we actually installed 32 subwoofers in the main area with 16 speakers, and there's also a fitness area with some subwoofers and speakers as well. So this will be very, very, very nice. Anyway, stay tuned, and I will be back next week, hopefully, if the upload of the footage in Dubai goes well. We have to see. And hopefully you can forward this link of this video to all your friends or family or relatives who might be interested in doing something, in seeing something.